ayan guys, so ito mga steps para maka-open kayo ng BT Markets account. So mag-click lang kayo sa link ko may bio. So ayan guys, mag-create lang kayo ng account. Ang kailangan nyo dito is email and password. So ayan, sample lang, password. 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase character plus 1 number and 1 special character. Ayan o, sample lang guys. And dito naman sa baba, sa referrer, optional. So, maglagay na lang kayo ng pangalan ko, Marco Poli. And ayan, click nyo on open a live account. So, ayan. And on the next page, guys, mag-fill up lang kayo ng personal information. As you can see, guys, first name, last name, middle name. Make sure, guys, na dapat match sa ID. Kasi later on, makakaroon tayo ng verification process. So, dadaan tayo sa verification ID. So, ayan guys, sample lang. Nationality, Filipino. Ayan, so next na. And meron din phone number. Ayan, 333-5769-877, no? So again, next na lang. Then as you can see, ang pipili nyo dito is MetaTrader 5. And choose account type. Make sure na ang pinili nyo is standard swap free, no? And currency US dollar. Ayan. So ganyan lang yan guys. Tapos syempre maglagay ulit kayo ng mag-create kayo ng password. Like kanina, kailangan ng numbers, 1 upper, 1 lower character and 1 special character. Ayan. Tapos mas-scroll kayo pababa. And ayan, click the box and submit. So yung next step guys, makakaroon kayo ng ID verification. Yan ang na-mention ko kanina, no? So ayan. So let's get verified guys. So kailangan nyo ulit mag-provide ng personal info. So most likely naka-ano na yan, naka-fill up na siya. And yan, pipiliin nyo yung country of residence. So yan, naka-fill up na. In my case, continue na lang. Ayan guys, mag-submit kayo ng identity verification. Pipiliin nyo yung ID, no? National ID, driver's license. So maraming ID. Mamimili lang kayo ng ID na gusto nyo i-upload. So ganyan lang kasimple guys. So once you get verified, click on deposit. Ayan. So ayan, tayo natin. Loading, ayan guys. Tapos let's say ang lagay ko dito is $100. So, actually mataas na yung dollar, not mistaken, 61 pesos. Ayan. So, ayan. Pipiliin nyo yan, yung gusto nyong payment term, but I usually use GCash, no? So, and instant na siya. So, click nyo lang GCash. So, yun, no? $100. 6,200 pesos na deposit. Sample lang. So, click nyo lang yung pay now. And nagre-redirect automatically sa GCash. And then, open in external app. So, mapupunta yan sa GCash. And, yun lang guys, ganyan lang kasimple. And, pay the amount.